I'm Senator Barbara Boxer from the great pro-choice, pro-women's health state of California. And thank you, Angelica, for your words. We are here today for a very important reason. We are going to send a powerful message that we are not going to stand idly by as women's lives and women's health come under attack. We're going to stand up and fight back. Republicans have made their intentions clear. They want to roll back every protection and every dollar of federal funding for women's health and family planning that is essential for our women today in America. Are we going to let them do that? No! Are we going to let them do that? No! That's what I thought you'd say, thank God. And we are not going to let them eliminate funding for Planned Parenthood, and we're not going to let them eliminate funding for Title X, which is the way we reach women who need basic health care. We will not turn our backs on the women of America who rely on these services. We stand for those women, and we stand for them proudly, and we tell them, do not give up hope. We are there for you every day, every day. I want to give you the voice, a voice that we're fighting for today. Women like Nicole Sandoval of Pasadena, California, when she was 23 years old and she had no insurance, she went to Planned Parenthood for a pap smear, which found cervical cancer. Planned Parenthood helped her get the treatment she needed, and Nicole says she would not be alive today without their help. And that's why we are here today, fighting for the Nicoles of America. News for you. You know, in the United States Senate, there are 100 senators, and if you really want to get something done, you need 60. And if you need to stop something, you need 41. 41 senators signed a letter that I crafted that said, we will stand against any budget cuts that puts the health and lives of women at risk. We got it in writing. We got it in writing. That's why elections have consequences. You all know that. But don't get me started on that. Now, you all know the Republicans' extreme agenda doesn't stop at the budget. They've introduced a series of extreme bills, and I think you need to hear what they are. And we must say no to an extreme agenda that blocks women from using their own money, their own hard-earned money, to buy the health insurance that works best for them. We say no to that kind of a bill. We say no to an extreme agenda that punishes businesses and families with a bill that says you'll have a tax hike if you try to buy private insurance that covers a full range of reproductive health care. You will get a tax hike. We say no to that. This is America. There's free choice in America. We say no to another extreme bill. Listen to this one. Would put the IRS in the middle of a personal and private decision by requiring millions of women who have had an abortion to disclose it to tax auditors. No! We say no. We are not turning the IRS into a healthcare policeman.
That ain't right.
We cannot allow these bills. We cannot allow cuts that are going to hurt the women of this nation. And I'm here to say to you, because I see it in your eyes right here, that the opposition doesn't know that they just woke up a sleeping giant. The opposition doesn't understand that women and people who love them will not sit idly by. So I say to my Republican friends, get off with these riders that hurt women. Because if you continue, the whole world will know that this agenda of theirs has nothing to do with choice. That's nothing to do with this. We already know federal funds can't be used for abortion. That's been the law. This is about denying women the basic health care they need, and we stand together, and we will win. Thank you very much.